doctor's office. So I decided to bring y'all along. I'm a little late starting because I have somebody with me. So, Sarah, say hey. Yeah, so we at the thyroid doctor's office. Got to see what they talking about. Got to see how my levels are and all that good stuff. So after the doctor come in, I will be back at y'all. Make sure you stay tuned. Let's see this view. So yeah, I'll be back. Leaving out, and my levels will go a little low because they wouldn't let me refill my prescription until I seen a doctor. So levels was a little low, but I'm gonna go pick that prescription up now. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go pick that prescription up now. That's what we're about to do. After we walk to this car. Like, so yeah. What is that? Put it down. Boys are clear. I don't know if I already said it, but we are on the way to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription. I think I'm going home. I ain't got nothing else to do. So yeah, about to go to this Walgreens. Y'all, they had me waiting forever for the prescription, so I was over it. Forgot to finish vlogging, so coming back to close out my video. Now I got home. It's been hours, and I got home. I done had to go back out again, come back. Well, yeah, I'm not going back out. And I got this robe on. I'm in the house, so I'm gonna get dinner ready. Get my kids ready for school tomorrow. Yeah, it was me going to the thyroid doctor and stuff. Maybe my next vlog will be more interesting. Cause you know this one was rough, all over the place. But yeah, your girl tired. 7 spilled the whole bottle of oil in my car. That's another story for another day. I'm still a little touched about that. But yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more vlogs, tutorials, you know, whatever I decide to put out there. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my vlog.